Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear data on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, ensure that Monopoly Go is completely closed on your device. And then after that, go to your phone settings here and look for the apps section. But if you cannot find it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of your settings and type apps. And then from here, go to app management and then just scroll through your list of apps here and look for Monopoly Go and tap it to open the app info screen. So once on the app info screen, find and tap the storage option right here, and in the storage settings, you will see two options, clear cache and clear data. So just tap clear data here and a confirmation message will appear stating this app's data will be permanently deleted, and this includes files, settings, databases, and other app data. So to proceed, just press delete or OK to clear all Monopoly Go data. And after that, it's done. So that's basically how you can clear data on Monopoly Go. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.